Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve the pattern number 20 question. So let's see what is the pattern number 20 is. Here you can see this is the pattern number 20 and this pattern says looks like English letter, that is W. So let's see how we can deal with this pattern. So first cut this pattern from here and go to the new page. Now place it here. Now see how we are going to deal with this pattern. First give the numbering. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number of rows, that means this is the value of I, and this is the number of columns, 1, 2, that is 3, that is 4, that is 5. Okay, now see here the stars. Forget about this middle part now. Now only think about these lines. Here you can see when the value of j is equal to 1 and the value of j is also equal to n, then we are going to printing these two sides. Okay, now see the middle part. If you see the middle part, it looks like this diagonal pattern that we solved previously, but here it is in the half. So what we are going to do to deal with this? So what we are going to do, if I value, this is the midpoint, so if I value is greater than n by 2, n means 5, so 5 by 2 means 2. So when I is greater than n by 2, and all of you know that how to print this pattern. I solved this question previously. For this, what we'll do, if I equals to j, then we are going to print this pattern. This pattern. Okay, here you can see this is the 3, this is also 3, this is the 4, this is also 4. That means when I equal to j, then we are going to print this side. Now if I plus j equals to n plus 1, then we are going to printing this side. See, here is I is 5, that is 1, that means 6. I plus j is 6 and n plus 1 is also 6. That means when I plus j equals to n plus 1, then we are going to printing this side. So let's do it in the screen. So what we will do, int n is equal to stn dot extint. So first take the input. So this is the input. Now come to the next line. For int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Then come to the next line. For j is equal to 1, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. What I tell you, that if I equals to 1, it is not and, this is over. If I is equals to 1 or j is equals to n, then we are going to printing the stars. So if I is equals to 1, not I, j is equals to 1 or j is equals to n plus 1, okay, then we are going to printing the star. System dot out dot print the stars here plus t. Copy this line. Else if, what we will check, else if I is greater than n divided by 2 and also I is equals to j or I plus j equals to n plus 1, then we are going to printing these stars also. Else print the spaces. Now come outer loop and print here a space. Print ln. Okay. Now see. Now run it and check. Then I will tell what I do here. Again this similar mistake. Int j. Now run it. Give me the wrong output. But why? The value 5. Now check. we are getting the wrong output again. So what is the problem in this code? So if I is greater than equal to n by 2 and j is equals to 1, okay, it is fine. If j is equal to, okay, I put here n plus 1 will n. If j equal to n, now run. I think the wrong answer, but why? Okay, so actually the error is here in the line number 19. Instead of printing the spaces, I am printing here also star. That's why it's making the whole square shape. Now clean it, now run it again and check what we are getting the expected output, that is the English letter W. Now submit it and check if the all test cases are passes or not. So here you can see all the test cases are passes. So that's it. That is the end of the pattern videos. Hope all of you enjoy this series and love this. So I will see you with new videos. Bye bye.